Have you ever thought about becoming the bank, lending money directly to borrowers and earning interest yourself? That's exactly what peer-to-peer lending is all about. And in 2025, P2P platforms are evolving into powerful, accessible investment options. Peer-to-peer lending connects individual borrowers with investors like you, cutting out traditional banks. It's a way to earn attractive returns while helping others access loans, whether for personal needs, business growth, or debt consolidation. But with so many platforms available, how do you know which ones are the best? Today, we'll explore the top peer-to-peer lending platforms you should consider in 2025. First, let's talk about Lending Club, one of the pioneers in the P2P lending space. Lending Club offers a wide range of personal loan and small business loan investments. It's known for a robust underwriting process, helping to manage borrower risk. Lending Club's platform is user-friendly, and you can start investing with as little as $1,000, making it accessible for many investors. Plus, their diversified loan portfolios help reduce risk by spreading your investment across multiple borrowers. Next up is Funding Circle, which specializes in small business loans. If you want to support entrepreneurs while earning steady returns, Funding Circle is a top choice. It has a strong track record of loan performance and offers investors the chance to diversify into business loans rather than just personal credit. Funding Circle requires a minimum investment of $500, so it's suitable for investors looking for a more business-focused portfolio. Another standout is Prosper, which is one of the largest P2P lending marketplaces in the US. Prosper focuses on personal loans and allows investors to choose loans based on borrower credit grades and loan purposes. Their platform provides detailed data and risk scores, helping you make informed decisions. Prosper also offers auto-invest options, letting you set criteria and have the platform invest automatically on your behalf. For those interested in more global options, Mintos is worth a look. Based in Europe, Mintos offers a marketplace with loans from various countries and loan originators. This international diversification can help spread risk and tap into markets with different economic dynamics. Mintos offers features like buyback guarantees on many loans, providing extra security for investors. If you're interested in crypto and blockchain innovation, ETH Lend is pioneering decentralized peer-to-peer lending on the Ethereum blockchain. While still emerging, platforms like ETH Lend offer unique opportunities for borrowers and lenders to interact directly with smart contracts, increasing transparency and reducing intermediaries. As with any investment, it's important to consider risks. P2. P-lending isn't risk-free. Borrowers can default, platforms can change terms, and economic downturns can impact returns. Diversification, thorough platform research, and understanding loan grading systems are key to managing those risks. In 2025, peer-to-peer lending offers a compelling way to generate passive income while supporting individuals and businesses outside traditional banking systems. Whether you prefer personal loans, business loans, or even crypto-based lending, there's a platform suited for you. Which P2P lending platform have you tried or are curious to explore? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more investing insights, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.